It's a story we think we know. A pinprick of impossible light hangs over a sleeping town, and our minds immediately jump to visitors from the stars. But the truth behind these silent witnesses is far more complex, and perhaps more profound than any single explanation. For decades, the phenomenon has been a quiet constant. In the high desert of Texas, the Marfa Lights dance on the horizon, ghostly orbs that split, merge, and vanish without a sound. They've been documented for over a century, long before the age of drones or stealth jets. Thousands of miles away, in a remote valley in Norway, the Hessdalen lights perform a similar silent ballet. These luminous spheres, sometimes the size of a car, patrol the frozen landscape, baffling scientists who have studied them with every instrument imaginable. These aren't just isolated incidents, they are part of a global pattern of strange lights appearing over small, often isolated communities. And for a long time, the conversation has been dominated by one idea: unidentified flying objects, the alien hypothesis. It's an alluring narrative, one that speaks to our deepest questions about our place in the cosmos. But to stop there is to miss a universe of other possibilities, some hidden not in the stars, but deep within the Earth itself. Many of these light-prone areas, like the Hessdalen Valley, sit on massive deposits of quartz crystal and are seismically active. The theory of Earth lights suggests that when tectonic plates shift, the immense pressure on these quartz-rich rocks can create a powerful electrical charge, a phenomenon called piezoelectricity. This charge surges to the surface, ionizing pockets of air and creating luminous, free-floating plasma orbs. These aren't craft, they are natural batteries, geological ghosts born from the immense forces churning beneath our feet. They can flicker, hover, and even appear to react to their environment. This same science could also explain other rare atmospheric events, like ball lightning. For centuries, people have reported seeing hovering, glowing spheres during thunderstorms, only to have their stories dismissed. Today, we understand it's a real, albeit poorly understood, form of atmospheric plasma. Could it be that many small-town sightings are simply rare, natural light shows, misinterpreted by a culture primed to see spaceships in the sky? The answer, however, isn't just in the ground. It's also in our own accelerating technology. Consider the modern drone. A single advanced drone with powerful LEDs can perform maneuvers that defy conventional explanation. Now imagine a coordinated swarm of them, programmed to fly in complex formations. From a distance on a dark night, such a swarm wouldn't look like a group of small machines. It would appear as a single, large, silent object capable of changing its shape, color, and brightness instantly before disappearing without a trace. It perfectly matches countless modern UFO reports. Then there's the human element of secrecy. Many of these small towns are scattered near vast, empty landscapes, the perfect testing grounds for experimental military aircraft. For decades, programs like stealth fighters were developed in total secrecy. The things seen in the sky over places like Area 51 weren't alien, they were simply ours, decades ahead of their time. It's entirely plausible that the next generation of silent, hypersonic, or shape-changing technology is being tested right now, painting the night sky with unexplained lights for unassuming witnesses below. But perhaps the strangest explanation has nothing to do with geology or technology, but with psychology. For as long as we've told stories about mysterious lights in the wilderness. They were called will-o'-the-wisps, fairy lights, or ghost flames, supernatural beacons said to lure travelers from their path. These tales are ancient, predating any concept of aliens or flying saucers by thousands of years. Are we simply seeing the same phenomenon as our ancestors, but interpreting it through a modern technological lens? Is the alien in the silver ship just the new name for the fairy in the glowing chariot? It suggests the phenomenon is a constant, but our story about it changes with the times. This is the power of cultural expectation. Once a town gets a reputation for lights, its residents start looking up. A distant airplane, a bright planet, or a weather balloon suddenly becomes something more, seen through a filter of local legend and wonder. The lights over our small towns are not a simple question with a single answer. They represent a fascinating intersection of known science, secret technology, and the enduring power of human perception. So the next time you hear a story about a strange light in the night, look past the easy answer. You might not be witnessing an arrival from another world, but a secret from our own. A whisper from the deep earth, a ghost of future technology, or a reflection of humanity's timeless wonder at the dark. The mystery isn't just in the sky, it's in everything below it.